What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy, George D, bringing you guys a brand new bacon video because I'm going to be baking some chocolate chip cookies. Right there. So anyways, just heard that clip. Like, they're actually putting new pipes, like, into the road. Right over there. I'm going to try to get it without them knowing. But yeah, like, they're in the ground right now, and we're gonna start baking these 12 big chocolate chip cookies. Let's preheat the oven to 350. Let's do this. I'm gonna put the cookies on here now, and I'll be right back with you. So okay, guys, so they're on the pan. The oven's preheated, and we're gonna put them in here when it's ready. Let's go. Cookie! So I'll see you guys in 19 minutes. Look how good these things look. They're a little soft right now because you have to sit for like 2 to 3 minutes, but yummy. I got my Tupperware right here ready to go. My spatula. But this is where I'm gonna end this video, guys. But if it's like this video, leave a comment and subscribe for more. And you're still doing the work outside. But anyways, this is your boy, George D, but a very low camera battery, signing out. Peace.